Zemaira Vial is used to treat lung problems such as emphysema caused by a certain inherited disease called alpha-1 proteinase inhibitor deficiency. This condition causes lung damage by a natural substance called elastase, which normally the body needs to kill bacteria in the lungs. However, in people with this condition, the protein, alpha-1 proteinase inhibitor, that should stop elastase from working is not produced enough, leading to lung damage. Zemaira Vial replaces the missing alpha-1 proteinase inhibitor and helps to prevent further lung damage. It is important to take this medication as prescribed by your doctor for the best results. The optimal timing for taking Zemaira Vial should be discussed with your healthcare provider. When using Zemaira Vial, it is typically administered through a vein by your doctor once a week. If you are administering this medication at home, make sure to follow the preparation and usage instructions provided. If you are unsure about anything, consult your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to allow the medication and mixing solution to warm to room temperature before mixing, and do not shake the mixed drug as it may decrease its effectiveness. Before use, visually inspect the product for any particles or discoloration. If you notice any, do not use the liquid. It's also important to learn how to safely store and discard needles and medical supplies. The dosage of Zemaira Vial is determined based on your weight, medical condition, and response to treatment. It's important to use this medication regularly to get the most benefit from it. You can mark a reminder on a calendar to help you remember to use it on the same day each week. If your condition worsens after several weeks of using Zemaira Vial, make sure to inform your doctor. Some common side effects of Zemaira Vial may include pain at the injection site, fever, dizziness, headache, drowsiness, numb/tingling skin, and muscle aches. However, many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. If you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, seek medical help immediately. It's important to remember that the benefit of this medication has been judged to be greater than the risk of side effects by your doctor. If you experience any other effects not listed, contact your doctor or pharmacist. Remember to talk to your doctor about the daily dosage and the optimal timing for taking Zemaira Vial. Before using Zemaira Vial, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have, as this product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. Also, be sure to discuss your medical history with your doctor or pharmacist, especially if you have selective IgA deficiency with antibodies to IgA, liver disease, or heart problems. This medication may cause dizziness or drowsiness, and using alcohol or marijuana can increase these effects. It's important to avoid driving, using machinery, or doing anything that requires alertness until you can do so safely. Limiting alcoholic beverages is also recommended. If you are using marijuana, be sure to talk to your doctor. Since Zemaira Vial is made from human blood, there is a very small chance of getting infections from the medication, such as viruses like hepatitis. It's best to consult your doctor or pharmacist for more information. If you are pregnant, this medication should only be used if clearly needed, so be sure to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It's also unknown if this drug passes into breast milk, so consult your doctor before breastfeeding. When taking Zemaira Vial, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how the medication works or increase the risk of serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this information with your doctor and pharmacist. You should never start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without first consulting your doctor. If you suspect an overdose and notice severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. You can call 911 or your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. Residents in Canada can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. Refuse to share this medication with others. It is important to undergo regular lab and medical tests, such as pulmonary function tests, while using this medication. Make sure to attend all medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more information. If you forget to take a dose, make sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist for a new dosing schedule immediately. When it comes to storing Zemaira Vial, it's important to note that different brands of this medication have different storage requirements. Be sure to ask your pharmacist how to store your specific brand. It's also important not to freeze Zemaira Vial. After mixing the drug, do not refrigerate it and use the mixed drug within 3 hours. Any unused portion should be discarded. It's crucial to keep all medications away from children and pets. When it comes to discarding Zemaira Vial, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Properly discard this product and it is expired or no longer needed. If you're unsure about how to dispose of it, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.